Pero aminin mo, madalas ka rin magpakantot dati.
Gago, hindi ko gawa yan. Huwag mong ibigano sa akin yan.
Here, can we just get a quick photo together? Cheese.
What is this?
I really think I can't treat you anymore. The fact is, I'm in love with you.
Oh, you're not coming today?
Nah, bro. I don't really feel like it. I'm staying home.
Damn, today wasn't the day?
Yup. I'll come tomorrow, but I'm not coming today.
Yeah, I feel you. But Maya came today. Where she at? Where you just came from? Don't worry about it. Where she at?
Bro, why are you so mad? It's early in the morning. Come on, man. Turn that frown upside down.
Yo, what's wrong with him?
I don't know, bro. He just came to school mad.
Bro, you got cramps or something? You need some pads? What is it? Why? Why are you so mad?
Look at you trying to not laugh, bro. Come on, laugh.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Focus.
Do you suffer from depression
What?
and anxiety?
Yes.
I have feelings for you. I have feelings for you too. So, ano tayo? Feelers.
Hoy, may nabasa ko sa FB na kapag magmumura ka, magiging immortal ka raw. Hay naku, ba't mo sinabi?
Ha? Magiging immortal na ako, putang ina nyo!
Anak, may problema ka?
Ba't may Jollibee na naman sa basurahan?
Nakita kasi namin natutulog ka, kaya hindi
Sino
na...
man nagpatulog sa akin? Anak, matulog ka muna dun para tumangkad ka.
Anak, hindi naman to big deal.
Naririnig mo bang pinagsasabi mo? Jollibee, hindi big deal.